Screencastomatic is a downloadable software that you can get from the web that allows you to record your voice on any type of screen that's on your computer. I'm going to show y'all in this Screencastomatic how to download Screencastomatic. So you can, with Screencastomatic, I can be on my main computer screen. I can use any applications, and I can also use the web. I'm going to click on this Screencastomatic link that's in your PowerPoint, and it takes you to the Screencastomatic page. The free version is totally fine. It allows you to download or create videos up to 15 minutes long, which is really as long as you would ever want in a screencast anyway. So you just download it. You can press the Start Recording button and launch Recorder. And it's going to download it. I've got to move my window so you can see the download. But it should put it down in your taskbar for you. You're going to download it wherever you can find it on your computer. And it'll ask you some registration questions, and then it's going to just end up on your home page as this icon here, the Screencastomatic. And whenever you launch it, it's going to ask you if you want to use the paid version or the free version, and just click on the free version, and a red kind of candy cane type box is going to show up, and it'll wait to hear your voice, and you just press the record button and it will record whatever's on your screen. So that is Screencast-O-Matic. The benefit of Screencast-O-Matic is that you can use it with any open application. Screencastify, on the other hand, can only be used through your tab, and I'll show you all how to do that next.